Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2's first mission. We'll start by understanding the opening scene. The game immediately immerses you in a challenging blizzard, with your gang seeking refuge. Pay close attention to the on-screen instructions. They are crucial for mastering basic movement and interacting with the environment. Your very first task is to find a missing member of your crew, John Marston, setting the stage for your adventure. As you progress, you'll inevitably face your first combat scenario. It's important to be ready for a gunfight against several adversaries. Remember to use the cover system effectively. It's your best defense against incoming fire. When aiming, prioritize headshots. This strategy allows you to take down enemies much faster and conserve your valuable ammunition, which is a critical resource throughout your journey in the Wild West. Once a gunfight concludes, make sure to thoroughly loot any fallen enemies. They often carry valuable items like money, provisions, and ammunition that will aid your survival. Your horse is also a vital companion. Interact with it to retrieve additional weapons or supplies stored in its saddlebag. Maintaining your horse's health and stamina is paramount for efficient travel across the vast landscape and for making quick getaways when needed. To successfully complete this initial mission, keep a close eye on your minimap for the clearly marked objectives. These will guide you through the necessary steps. Also, listen carefully to the character dialogue. It provides crucial story context and hints for your next actions. The mission officially concludes once you have safely returned to the gang's temporary camp, bringing everyone back together after the challenging blizzard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.